Welcome to the Meta Infinity Podcast, where we dive into the world of robotics, strategy, and teamwork. Today, we're talking about how to recruit, manage, and organize an FTC team, whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your team's structure. Plus, we've got a special guest, a rookie team member who will share what it's like to join an FTC for the first time. Let's get into it. Building a strong FTC team starts with recruitment. You want a diverse group with a mix of technical, creative, and leadership skills. Here are some key steps. 1. Define your needs. Decide what role your team needs, like programmers, builders, drivers, and outreach coordinators. 2. Recruit from multiple sources. Look for members at your school, local STEM clubs, or even online communities. 3. Host an interest meeting. Explain what FTC is. Share past successes and show off a robot if you have one. 4. Screen for commitment and passion. Robotics is time intensive, so find people who are eager to learn and dedicate time to the team. 5. Balance experience levels. Mix veteran members with new recruits to build a sustainable team. Once you've got your team together, it's time to set the foundations for success. Now, let's hear from someone who's experiencing FTC for the first time. I'm here with Annika, a first-year team member who just joined this season. Welcome to the podcast.
Thanks for having me.
So, what made you want to join an FTC team?
I've always been interested in robotics, but I didn't know much about FTC until I saw the team at a school event. The idea of a designing, building, and coding robot really excited me, so I decided to give it a shot.
That's awesome. What's been the biggest challenge for you so far?
Honestly, learning all the technical stuff. There's so much to take in, like understanding how motors work, learning to code, and figuring out the engineering notebook. But my teammates have been super helpful, and I feel like I'm improving every week.
That's great to hear. What advice would you give someone who's just thinking about joining FTC?
Just go for it. You don't need to be an expert. If you're curious and willing to learn, there's a place for you on the team.
Great advice. Thanks for joining us, Annika.
Of course.
Good management keeps a team running smoothly. Here's how to keep things efficient and fun. Establish leadership roles. Team runs best with a clear leader. Assign a team captain, lead programmer, lead builder, and lead outreach coordinator. Our team has one of each of these. Set a team schedule. Plan regular meetings and set deadlines for building, coding, and outreach tasks. One thing we do on our team is have a weekly meeting where we go over what each of the sub-teams have completed. Use project management tools. Apps like Trello, Slack, or Notion help keep track on your progress. We use apps like Slack. Encourage communication. Create an environment where team members feel comfortable sharing ideas and concerns. Resolve conflicts early. Tensions happen. Address disagreements professionally and help the team to stay focused on the bigger goal. With good management in place, let's talk about keeping everything organized. Organization is a key part in FTC. Here's how to keep everything in order. Document everything. Keep a detailed engineering notebook for judges and future references. Organize your workspace. Have a designated spot for tools, robot parts, and other team materials. Plan your season. Set milestones for your build progress, coding, and outreach to stay on track. Prepare for competitions. Run practice matches with other teams, refine strategies, and make sure your robot is always competition ready. Engage with the community. FTC isn't just about the robot. Connect with sponsors, mentor younger teams, and participate in countless outreach events. Following these steps will help your team stay on track and maximize your potential. Finally, I'd like to mention we're a community team. If you're a school team, this workflow might look a little bit different for you, but this is how it works for us. That wraps up today's episode on recruiting, managing, and organizing an FTC team. Big thanks to Annika for joining us. Whether you're just starting or fine-tuning your team's operations, these strategies will help you be set up for success. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe and share with all your fellow robotics and FTC enthusiasts. If you have any more questions for us or our team, feel free to drop a comment or message us via our email. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.